How to create laboratories? To begin, you should know some terms used in our platform. They will help you to learn more about the methodology for creating courses. Think for a moment that you are about to create a classroom. In your classroom, you can teach a series of subjects. Each subject corresponds to a series of lessons that you will later evaluate through activities. With that logic in mind, your classroom will be called a laboratory. Once you have created your laboratory, it will be up to you to create the subjects that will be taught there. We will call these subjects modules. After you have created a module, you will have the option of dividing the topics that will go into this subject. Each topic will be called a unit. Unit that will be subdivided by the lessons that you consider necessary so that the course you are creating is understood by the person who is going to do it. And finally, after creating all your content, you will be able to evaluate it through activities. Now, knowing this methodology, we will enter the platform and access the tab called Laboratories. Once you access the Laboratories tab, you will see a button that will allow you to create your first laboratory. You must click. In this tab, you will assign a name to your laboratory. You will select the minimum and maximum age of the people who will take the course. You will write the language and you will select the name of your organization. You will see below and you will have two customization options. You can upload an image for the laboratory and also the logo of your organization. If you look on the right side of the screen, you will observe your laboratory in real time. If you press the button above, you will access the OLAB web view. Optionally, you can include audios in a first and second language. This will help your students to have the tour auditively. After writing the data of your laboratory, you will give the button Continue and you will find a couple of options to customize the interface of your laboratory. You can choose the color you like and a background image. Finally, you will add the laboratory. After adding your laboratory, you will see the button to create your first module. In this tab, you will write the name of your module and a personalized achievement on your part. You can choose to view your module in public or private. If you select the private box, only your organization will have access. In the same way, you will have the option to customize the image and the color of the button. Also, you have the possibility of customizing a congratulations or response message for when the user finishes doing this module. You can modify the text, upload your own image, and change the audio or create it yourself. Great! You've created a lab and added your first module. Now, you can add the first unit. First, you will add the name to the unit. In the second option, you will be able to read and select the achievement indicators that you consider most convenient. Remember, the units cover specific topics within the modules, so it is necessary to complete some technical data of the achievement indicators to evaluate it later with our system of impact reports. Once you have selected the achievement indicators, you will write the objectives of the unit and a description, then you will add an image and optionally include audios. Remember to observe in each tab the web version of the content you are creating, since in this tab, it is possible to customize the colors of the unit and this will help your course have more personality. It is also possible to modify the congratulations message, but in this case, the message will be output after finishing this unit. Well, at the moment you have created a laboratory, you created a module, and within that module you created this unit. Now you can add lessons. In this tab, you can include the pedagogical content that you have created. It is possible to upload files in PDF format, images, PowerPoint presentations, and videos. You will start by writing the name of your lesson and optionally a description and image. After that, you will select the appropriate option depending on the type of file you want to upload in this lesson. And finally, you will add the lesson. After creating your first lesson, you can create the activities. Currently, you can select between 13 types of activities. However, remember that you can create all the activities you want. Once the activity is added, you can optionally customize the colors and the image. Finally, you will press the button to add the activity. In this way, you have completed the creation of your first course. It is important that you practice what you have learned. Only in that way, you will soon be an expert using HOLA. See you in the next tutorial.